Hi Nicole, how are you? My name is Alicia C, and my name is Alicia C156 on the YouTube channel. I just recently learned how to make my own lace wig, and I was watching one of your videos in regards to the split double knots and the double knots, and I was noticing how you were saying the knot was a little bit big, so you wanted to change your needle up to a smaller needle. And it made me look at my wig, and I'm looking at it, and it's really kind of thick here if you notice it. You see, this is just the back, like a little more than a little bit of the back half, a little less than the back half, and you can see how thick this thing is already. You see, that's really a lot of hair, and I'm wondering if there's a way I could take the hair off the wig and reuse it, or should I just continue to cross at this density, and then once I'm finished that line, so it won't feel uneven, and get thinner going up, gets thinner, even less hair, or should I just take this hair, should I just chalk this wig up as a loss because the hair is so expensive and I don't want to waste it? Or do you think it would be okay, this thick in the back and then getting thinner, and it wouldn't look funny after I put it on? Please help me out. I'll wait for your response. I'm hoping that your responses still go through to you as a text or anything, even though I'm sure this video was really done a long time ago. So I'll wait for your response if you got time to do it. Thank you and have a nice day.